Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Mr. English Flow channel, where learning English is easy, fun, and practical. I'm Emily.
Aloha, and I am Henry. Welcome to Paradise, or the studio.
Henry, wow, you look very tropical. Are you going somewhere?
Yes, Emily, I am mentally on a beach. I need a break. I need a holiday.
Well, you are dressed for it. And that is perfect because today's topic is how to talk about holidays and travel in English.
Great, because when people ask me, how was your holiday? I just say, good. I need more words to describe my adventures.
Exactly. We will learn how to talk about future plans, past trips, and useful travel idioms. First, let's clear up a common confusion. Henry, you said holiday, but in movies they say vacation.
Yes, are they different?
The meaning is the same. Holiday is mostly British English. Vacation is mostly American English. Since we teach international English, you can use both.
Okay, I like holiday. It sounds happier.
Now, grammar alert. Henry, do you say I am in holiday or I am at holiday?
I am in holiday?
No, the preposition is on. I am on holiday. I am on vacation.
On holiday. Like on top of the world. Got it. So, Emily, imagine I am planning a trip. How do I tell people?
You can say, I'm going to place. But a very natural phrase is, I'm off to place.
I'm off to Paris. Whew, that sounds fancy.
It does. And if you want to ask someone about their plans, you ask, do you have any holiday plans coming up?
Do you have any plans coming up? That is a good conversation starter.
And they might reply, I'm booking a flight. I need to book accommodation.
Accommodation. That is a big word. That means the hotel?
Yes, or a hostel or an apartment. Any place you sleep.
Now, Emily, not everyone likes the beach. What if I just want to stay home and sleep? Is that a holiday?
Yes, we call that a staycation. Stay plus vacation equals staycation.
I love staycations. My sofa is my favorite tourist spot.
But if you go to a city for just 2 or 3 days, we call that a city break.
A city break. Short and sweet.
And if you carry a big bag and travel cheaply, usually for a long time,
That is backpacking. I did that when I was younger. My back still hurts.
so we have beach holiday, staycation, city break, and backpacking.
Okay, now, the most important part. When I come back, people ask, how was it? I want to say more than good.
Let's upgrade your vocabulary. If it was beautiful, don't just say nice. Say, it was breathtaking.
Breathtaking. Like it took my breath away?
Yes, it means very, very beautiful. And if it was very relaxing, you can say, it was very chill or it was peaceful.
But what if it was bad? What if there were too many people?
Then you say, it was too touristy.
Touristy. That means too many tourists and cheap souvenir shops?
Exactly. Locals don't go there. It is a tourist trap.
A tourist trap. I hate those places. Everything costs $10 for a bottle of water.
Right. So instead of a tourist trap, you want to go off the beaten track.
Off the beaten track. That is a great idiom. It means going where the crowds don't go, into nature or small villages. So, what did I do on my holiday? I looked at buildings.
We call that sightseeing. I went sightseeing. You can say, we saw the sights.
We went sightseeing. Okay. And if I just sat in the sun?
You can say, I soaked up the sun.
Soaked up the sun. Like a sponge.
Yes. Or another great idiom, I recharged my batteries.
Recharged my batteries. That means I got my energy back. I need to do that this weekend. And Emily, what do you call the small gift you buy to remember the trip?
That is a souvenir.
Look, I bought this souvenir last year. It lights up.
That is very shiny, Henry. A classic souvenir. Okay, Henry, are you ready to put it all together? Let's role play. You just returned from a holiday. I will ask you about it.
I am ready. Ask me.
Hey, Henry, long time no see. I heard you were away. How was your trip?
Oh, Emily, it was amazing. I went to Italy for a city break.
Italy. Wow. Did you go sightseeing?
Yes, we saw all the famous places. The Colosseum was breathtaking. But honestly, it was a little bit touristy. So many people.
I can imagine. So, did you manage to relax?
Yes, one day we went off the beaten track to a small village in the mountains. It was so quiet. I really recharged my batteries.
That sounds perfect. Did you try the pizza?
Of course. I ate pizza every day. I think I gained 5 kilos. But I can't complain.
And did you bring me a souvenir?
Yes, I brought you this imaginary pizza.
Delicious. Thank you, Henry. Great job, Henry. You used breathtaking, touristy, and recharged my batteries.
It felt good. I sounded like a travel blogger.
Just remember one common mistake. Don't say, I enjoyed very much. Say, I enjoyed it very much. You need the it.
I enjoyed it. Got it.
And remember the preposition. You are on holiday.
Not in holiday, on holiday.
Well, I think we all need a holiday now.
Yes, I'm going to finish my coconut water and plan my next staycation.
To our lovely viewers, we hope this helps you share your travel stories. Traveling is the best way to practice English.
Absolutely. Go out, see the world, and talk to people.
If you like this video, please give it a like. It helps us pack our bags for the next video.
And subscribe to Mr. English Flow channel so you don't miss our next adventure.
We have a question for you today. What is your dream holiday destination? Do you like the beach or the mountains?
I want to go to the moon. Is that off the beaten track?
Definitely. Tell us in the comments below.
Bon voyage, everyone!
Safe travels! Bye!